In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a GIF to Miro. We'll walk through this together step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get your GIFs onto your Miro board. First, open Miro in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to either create a new board or open an existing one where you'd like to add your GIF. To create a fresh board, look for the option that says something like New Board or a plus icon in your dashboard. Click that, and Miro will load a blank canvas for you. Give it a moment to open, and you should see an empty board ready for your content. Now that you're on your board, let's locate the place where GIFs live inside Miro. Look along the toolbar, usually on the left side of the screen. You'll see several icons for things like shapes, text, and other tools. Among these, find the option labeled something similar to stickers, emoji, and GIFs. The exact position might vary slightly depending on updates, but it's typically grouped with other visual elements. Click on that Stickers, Emoji, and GIFs option. When you do, a panel will open, usually along the side or bottom of your screen. This panel is your library for expressive elements like stickers, emojis, and of course, GIFs. Inside this panel, look for a specific section dedicated to GIFs. It might be clearly labeled with the word GIFs or show a recognizable GIF logo. Once you're in the GIFs section, you'll see a search bar and a collection of suggested GIFs. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar to type in a keyword. For example, you might search for celebration, thumbs up, or idea. Miro will then show you a range of GIFs that match your search. Scroll through the results until you find one that fits your needs. When you've found the GIF you like, simply click on it. Miro will automatically place that GIF onto your board. From there, you can drag it to reposition it, or click and drag the corners to resize it as needed. You can also duplicate it or arrange it with other elements just like any other object on your board. And that's all there is to it. Open your board, click on stickers, emoji, and GIFs, go to the GIF section, search or browse, and then drop the GIF right onto your canvas.